If you've got jewelry that just lost its sparkle, this ultrasonic cleaner might just be what you need. It uses 48K hertz to deliver 360-degree deep cleaning. So that helps remove tiny particles from crevices of your jewelry, your glasses, watches, and more without having to scrub. Inside the box, you'll get this cleaning cloth, these tweezers, obviously the manual, the plug, and then you'll get the cleaner, which is a 700 ml steel tank. So that's everything you need to get started right away. So what we're going to do is fill this tank with water or a cleaning solution that you have. Place my ring inside, and then we'll select one of the digital presets and then just press start. All right, so ultimately I just put water in it, plugged it in. Here's my ring. I'm gonna place it in here, close it, and then you set a timer. Looks like it says it can run 180, 300, and 480, so we'll try 180. And then this is how you start and stop it. I just wanted to show the results. If you look, you can see all these little particles that came off my ring. This is really gross and oddly satisfying at the same time. All right, and here's my ring, and it does sparkle a little more than when I first put it in there. So I am happy about that. So I'm super happy at how this turned out. My ring is super shiny. It was simple to do, it's durable and quiet. Once you're done, you just pour it out, wipe it down, and so it is also easy to clean. So if you've been looking for a gentle, efficient way to clean your jewelry, glasses, or even your retainers at home, you should definitely check this one out.